Folate's role in mental health, particularly its connection to depression and emotional regulation, is one of the most underappreciated yet profoundly impactful aspects of this vitamin's biology. While it is widely known that folate is crucial for cell growth and DNA synthesis, its hidden contributions to mood balance and neurological resilience reveal a much more intricate influence on human behavior and mental wellness. At the biochemical level, folate is essential in the methylation cycles that produce and regulate neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, chemicals that are directly responsible for feelings of happiness, motivation, and focus. These monoamines are synthesized through pathways that rely heavily on methyl group donors, a role in which folate is indispensable. Without sufficient folate, the body struggles to efficiently produce or recycle these neurotransmitters, resulting in altered mood and diminished cognitive sharpness. One of the most striking observations in psychiatric research is the consistent association between low folate levels and a higher incidence of depression. This relationship persists across diverse populations and appears particularly strong in cases of treatment-resistant depression. Individuals with low serum folate not only have an increased likelihood of depressive symptoms, but they also tend to respond poorly to standard antidepressant medications, such as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs. This link has prompted growing interest in the use of folate, particularly its active form, L-methylfolate, as an adjunct therapy for depression. Unlike folic acid, which must undergo enzymatic conversion, L-methylfolate can cross the blood-brain barrier directly and participate in neurotransmitter synthesis, offering a rapid and targeted boost to mood-related pathways. An especially compelling and lesser-known aspect is the genetic dimension. Polymorphisms in the MTHFR gene can impair the body's ability to convert dietary folate into its active methylated form. Individuals with the common C677T or A1298C variants often exhibit reduced enzyme efficiency, meaning they may have normal folate intake, but functionally inadequate methylation capacity. For these individuals, supplementing with regular folic acid may not be enough. Instead, methylated folate may be necessary to restore optimal neurological function. This makes folate status a potential factor in personalized psychiatry, one that can be tested, modified, and used to predict antidepressant efficacy or vulnerability to mental illness. Furthermore, folate influences the expression of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a molecule crucial for neurogenesis, synaptic plasticity, and overall brain repair. Low BDNF levels are commonly found in people with depression and anxiety disorders, and research suggests that folate deficiency can impair BDNF expression. This creates the potential two-way deficit, impaired neurotransmitter production, and weakened neural adaptability. By supporting methylation and nucleotide synthesis, folate contributes not only to the chemical signals of the brain, but also to its structural and functional renewal. What also sets folate apart is its potential protective effect against the long-term neurological decline that sometimes accompanies chronic depression. Folate deficiency has been linked to increased homocysteine levels, an amino acid that, when elevated, is neurotoxic and associated with vascular damage, cognitive decline, and Alzheimer's disease. By converting homocysteine into methionine through the folate-dependent methylation cycle, folate helps protect the brain against oxidative stress and inflammatory damage. In this light, maintaining adequate folate levels becomes not just a matter of improving mood, but of preserving long-term cognitive health. Interestingly, even in populations without overt folate deficiency, marginal insufficiency may have subtle but measurable effects on mood, attention, and mental energy. Some studies have shown that increasing folate intake through diet or supplementation can enhance emotional well-being even in healthy individuals. This suggests that folate's role in mental health is not limited to treating pathology. It may also enhance psychological resilience, energy levels, and stress coping capacity. In summary, folate functions like a hidden ally in the landscape of mental health. It stabilizes mood by supporting neurotransmitter synthesis, enhances antidepressant response by optimizing methylation, and protects the brain from long-term damage through homocysteine regulation. Its effectiveness can be further amplified through personalized approaches, especially in those with genetic variants affecting folate metabolism. Far from being just a dietary footnote, folate stands as a neuropsychiatric cornerstone, with the potential to reshape how we understand and support emotional well-being from a nutritional foundation.